Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. There's more controversy over Jamaica's team selection to the Paris Olympics, with sprinter Kemba Nelson revealing on X, formerly Twitter, that she's been advised that she's no longer going to the Paris Olympics. Meanwhile, as Jordan Fort, who is in Paris, reports, the support team on the ground says it is working hard to ensure all is set for the team's arrival in the athletes' village.
2 weeks after being added belatedly to the athletic squad, Kemba Nelson wrote on social media platform X, quote, "I just hate that I accepted it, then they added my name, then no, I'm not needed at the moment? Oh, okay," end quote. But TVJ Sports checks with team manager Ludlow Watts revealed that no decision had been taken regarding team changes prior to the track and field team leaving camp in Stuttgart, Germany on Wednesday for Paris when he spoke to TVJ Sports Tuesday morning Paris time. The J3As had added Nelson, who finished 5th in the 100 metres at the National Championships, to the sprint relay pool, joining Sharika Jackson, Tia Clayton, Shelley-Ann Fraser-Price, Shasha-Lee Forbes and reserve Alana Reid. In the meantime, Chef de Mission Ian Kelly says there will be adequate accommodation for all of Jamaica's athletes who are expected to begin arriving in the Olympic Village within the next 24 to 48 hours.
What I can say to you that the team that the J3S has given to the JOA as the approved team, we are ready to accommodate all the members that and their coaching team, the coaching staff that has been approved. The IOC, Paris 24 has given us the necessary that will require us to house these athletes.
Kelly also confirmed earlier reports that there will be no air conditioning units in rooms in the athletes' village. But despite that, the man who is in charge of Jamaica's logistics in Paris is in no doubt that the athletes will be comfortable in the French capital.
Some of the amenities are similar to what has been in Tokyo. I wasn't in Tokyo, but we did well in Tokyo, and some of the facilities are the same facilities. There's no air conditioning in the rooms, but you can feel it. Look at this point in time how cool it is. The rooms has the necessary ventilations. We have fans, and I think in the design, the buildings were so designed that there is free flow of air / ventilation throughout the